Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got the buttons, then simply find the one with 3 bars icon and then tap on it. So let's enter the recents as I said, and as you can see here you've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on close all. As you can see we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.